Ticket, sir.
That guy didn't give me a ticket. I tried to ask for one.
Sir.
I tried to ask that guy for a ticket.
Sir?
Were you raising your voice with me, Buckethead?
This is new for me.
What? What is it?
Hey! Stop!
You know where I'd go if I could go anywhere? Wherever it is I'm really from. And wherever I had a life before the TVA came along. Maybe I had a jet ski. That's what I'd like to do. Just riding around on my jet ski.
Prune him.
Tell you what, you come out with your hands up and I'll put you in a time loop. Something not so bad. You can live out your days in a good memory. Do you have any good memories?
Just one, really.